Hi guys, welcome to Gardening Escape with Soru. For the past few days, I was quite busy and wasn't able to make videos for YouTube. But finally I'm back with some care tips for aloe vera in winter months. See, growing and caring aloe vera isn't so difficult. Or rather we can say aloe vera does best if we don't take care of them at all. But there's always some season-wise general care that keeps this wonder herb happy and healthy. Today I will present 5 tips new gardeners should follow in winter months for great looking aloe vera. In May 2020, I uploaded a video about aloe vera propagation, soil mix recipe and some care tips. Back then, I planted a small aloe pup in a 4-inch pot. Only in 2 months it grew so well. See, there's already some pups around the base. I just kept the pot weed free, kept it under shade of a bigger plant and fed with diluted mustard cake fertilizer. After 4 months from planting, see what it has become. Looks very healthy and fresh, isn't it? It's producing pup abundantly even in the same 4-inch pot. I will change the pot now as October is the ideal month for repotting. While I do the repotting, let's learn the tricks to keep aloes happy in the winter. In summer, we kept aloe vera under bright shade. But now we need to move potted aloes to a sunny location. As days are short, insufficient amount of light can make aloe vera leggy. Also, good sunny exposure helps aloe vera gaining enough energy to flower in spring. Water once in a week or only when soil is dry. Aloe vera stores 99% of water and 1% of solid matter in the leaves. So dryness for few days will not kill this plant, but excessive watering can surely kill it. I mostly ignore my aloe vera when it comes to watering. Still, it's doing wonderful. Fungicide sprays should be done at regular intervals in these months to prevent fungal rot. Those who are consuming aloe vera avoid spraying fungicides. In that case, cut affected parts with a sharp knife so that fungal rot doesn't spread. In winter, growth of aloe vera slows down. Production of roots is much slower than spring or summer months. So if you haven't repotted it already, do that as soon as possible. However, in favorable conditions, aloe vera can be planted or propagated throughout the year. Regularly remove weeds for better health of your plant. Fertilize once in a month for glossy and fleshy leaves. Anything organic will work just fine. A handful of homemade compost or vermicompost fulfills most of the nutrition required irrespective of seasons. Even mustard cake liquid can be used once in a month. I use it regularly and I am happy with the result it brings. Whenever taking care of aloe vera, don't overdo anything. Keep roots slightly dry, water very little, keep in bright light and fertilize once in a month. These should keep aloes happy in winter. In case you are experiencing difficulty, find me on Instagram. The profile link is given in the description box. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe Gardening Escape for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.